call my daddy.
Yes.
Gordon puffed up the hill, and the giant snowball grew bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And so Thomas puffed behind Gordon, and it pushed, and the giant snowball pushed, going down the road, and Thomas pushed, and they go faster and faster and faster. And so Thomas get on the left track, so he did to get on the left track, and then again he go faster too, and going to swish around and around and around and around a twisty track. So he did it. So he go back to 10 minutes.